What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Artie. In today's video we're going to be replacing the cabin filter on Wifey's 2021 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. So here's the Mopar OEM cabin filter, and this DIY right here is good for all of the Wrangler JLs and the Jeep Gladiator. So let's get into this glove box. Alright guys, so once you open the glove box, you're gonna see right there you have this little support arm right there. So it's pretty simple. What you do is basically you pull up towards yourself, and when you do that you pull out, and right there, as you guys can see, it basically releases the glove box. So this part over here you just have to basically push in upward like this, and there you go, your glove box comes down. You have the three little hinges over there holding it, and right there, as you guys can see, right here is your cap that you need to basically open from the left side to access your cabin filter. Remove that and then put your new filter in. So all of the products that I'll be using I'll link in the description so you guys could buy on Amazon, but let's open that up and look at the filter. Alright, so over here we're going to squeeze right here these two little things, and it's going to open up like so. So here is the cap. We're going to put this aside, and right there is your filter. We're going to pull out the filter and compare the old with the new. So to pull out the filter, basically you have to go like so. Just pull it out gently. There's one, and then here is two. So let's take a look. So I'm gonna put this right here, show you guys how dirty this one is. So this has 20,000 miles and is recommended by Jeep to switch up every 20,000 miles. And this right here, guys, is the new one. So a little side-by-side action. So if you can, actually try to change this before 20,000 miles, because you're breathing in all of this air inside your car when you blast your AC and heater, and this is probably unhealthy for you. So now we're gonna put the new filter, and basically everything is done the reverse way, the way you took it off. You basically step by step put everything back together. So here's the filter right here, and arrows go down, and basically we're gonna squeeze it in to stick it in there. So it's pretty interesting the way they made it. You could just basically squeeze it in like so, and it goes back in like that. Alright, so we're done with another easy DIY, and one thing that I want to ask you guys and actually just talk about is, first off, this is a two-piece filter, and the OEM Mopar one that I bought at the service department at my local Jeep is a one-piece. So this is a 2021 Rubicon. I'm just wondering, did they make them two pieces before and the newer models now come out with the one piece? Because that is an OEM Mopar product, and it doesn't really matter to me, but just curious, if you have one of these Jeeps and you've already changed the filter, comment down below if yours is a two piece or one. Now another thing is, wow, 20,000 miles, this is pretty filthy dirty, and this is the first time I'm changing it up. So I'm thinking probably next time around I'm going to change it up maybe 15 or 12,000 miles, because I don't want my kids breathing in all of this when we run the AC, and it's just probably obviously not healthy. So if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up. I'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace.